This is a demonstration of the three-way Frogless switch at the Erskine Tramway Car Shed. To reline the route, unscrew the plug, line the rails, and screw the knob back into the threaded bushing. And there, we're now lined for the diverging track to the left. This is not a high-speed operation, but it's serviceable for tracks that are merely storage tracks in the future car shed. To reline the switch for the straight track, the procedure is the same. If you're not changing to the other outside route, you don't need to move the center frog, because it doesn't have any effect on a straight through movement. After the shed is built, the center track will go all the way through, and there'll be a door in the far wall for use in loading or unloading equipment from a pickup truck. And so there it is.